Welcome to TasTech Solutions Limited. At TasTech Solutions, we provide a comprehensive range of products and services and can cater to all your security requirements. We specialize in intrusion detection integrated with CCTV, intruder alarm and intercom systems. We are vastly experienced in careful planning, designing, professional installation and maintenance of all security systems. Using the most advanced technology, we can provide an extensive range of CCTV solutions, from a standalone system to multi-site networked systems consisting of thousands of cameras. TasTech Solutions can design the ideal access control system, offering you a perfect fit for your organization regardless of its size. TasTech provides comprehensive solutions for fire detection systems with state-of-the-art equipment from the leading brands of the world. We can deliver an integrated security system from simple to complex, sophisticated security management systems that manage all physical and electronic security disciplines via a single graphical user interface. At TasTech Solutions, we pride ourselves on offering a very professional service when it comes to service and maintenance. We understand the importance of rapid response times when it comes to critical systems. Service level agreements, SALs, can be varied to suit your requirements. Contact us now for all your security needs. www.tastechsolutions.com